Before you begin, remove the access panel, the front bezel, the drives cage, and the fan duct. Removal. Detach the heatsink connector from the motherboard. Loosen the 4 captured Torx T15 screws for the heatsink. Gently pull the heatsink out of the PC. Replacement. Before replacing the heatsink into the system, first, clean off the old thermal grease from the microprocessor. Clean the grease from the heatsink if you are replacing the same heatsink into the system. Apply new thermal grease or pad to the microprocessor. Align the 4 screws of the heatsink over the 4 screw holes on the motherboard, with the connector aligned toward the top of the unit. Tighten the 4 Torx T15 heatsink screws. Replace the heatsink connector to the motherboard.